y'all. So my Triumph has been in the garage for a few months now, and only thing it does right now, it just clicks. So first thing first, let's replace the battery and see what happens. Oh, I figured out how to open it. Oh, there we go. So to get to the battery, there's two screws behind the seat. One right here and one right here. Normally it's an Allen key, but I switched it out to a 10 millimeter. It's easier for me. And let's get them out. Tuck it back and then seat come right off. And there you are, battery compartment. So right now just remove the batteries and then replace it with a brand new one. Make sure you remove these and then the battery will come off easier. So there you go. The new battery right here. Open it up. Drops the new battery into the bike. Make sure you pop these pieces in before screw it in the battery terminals. All right, there we go. Screw it in the brand new battery. Make sure we covered it up. Just wanna turn it to make sure it lays right. Okay. There we go. Now with the new battery installed, and let's see what happens. Drops the clutch. Voila! There you go. So guys, if you have a Triumph and it just clicks, what I recommend is replace the battery first and then go from there. All right, thank you guys very much.